Hi everybody, I am making some rice and chicken with sausage in it, and I am using my pressure cooker, as you can see right here. And these are the ingredients I am putting in: sofrito, some chicken powder, some cumin, sazon, rice, a little adobo, the water, and some beer. So I'm just throwing it all together, and this is gonna go into one pot. The chicken is already in here, and the sausage. So yeah, this is what I'm doing today for Sunday's dinner. So I'm gonna start, and you can just watch me. This is fun. So I'm pouring in the beer now. This is about 16, what is it? Oh, 12 ounces of beer. Okay, I'm gonna start putting in my seasoning. I seasoned the chicken like earlier with the salt and everything. So now I'm just gonna add a little bit more stuff for the rice, because the rice is gonna go into here as well. So this is a teaspoon, about a teaspoon of cumin. Get on there. Okay. The chicken powder gives it a lot of flavor. Give it a teaspoon also. And for the sofrito, we use about 6 tablespoons because I'm using 4 cups of rice. 1, 2, 3, oopsie, 4, 5, a little frozen in there because I keep it in the freezer. 6. Okay. And now I'm going to pour in the rice. And the water. And this is going to cook for about 12 minutes in the pressure cooker. Oh, don't let me forget this. Ooh, ooh. This gives it the color. I have chicken, I have turkey smoked sausage in here. That's it. We're just going to stir this up. I'm going to put a little bit more salt just to make sure the rice is okay. Oh, and let me not forget my avocado oil. No, I'm not going to use olive oil today. I'm going to use avocado. Where's my spoon? Okay, here we go. So I'm going to use my avocado oil. Tablespoon. Remember, this is a pressure cooker, so you don't need all that oil and stuff in it, because it just pressurizes everything and cooks it very fast, and it comes out nice and moist. So I'm going to stir this up, make sure everything is incorporated. Put a little bit of adobo. I don't like too much salt anyway, so yeah, this will do. Stir it up. You can add any type of meat you like, any type of meat. As long as you have the flavor and the, the liquid so that it can cook, pretty much a done deal. So now we get the cap. Heard it lock, so now it's locked. I set it. There we go. Get in there. Alright, so now we just wait for the pressure to build up and That's basically it. It's been warming. I set it already to 12 minutes. And as it warms, then it sets. And then the 12 minutes, you know, the number will show up, the 1 and the 2. And it'll cook. And then that's it. You let it go. Let the air out. It's done. And that's what I'm cooking today. Yay! All right, guys. Thanks for watching. This is my Spanish rice. Peace. Look how delicious it came out, guys. It's so nice and fluffy and hearty, and it's not dry. Like I said, you just need a tablespoon of some nice healthy oil into your pressure cooker with your rice and your chicken, and look at that. Delicious. That's all I'm gonna tell you. You see the smoke is going down. Later.